guys, welcome. Today I'm going to be doing a DIY for the St. Patrick's tree that I'm going to be decorating. I'm going to do a couple of little money jars. I thought this would be super fun if you wanted to find a cute little craft to do with your kids. So I'm going to do these cute little jars here. So they open obviously, and I've got this cute moss. I'm just going to, I'll cut this out and then put it down at the bottom, and then I'm going to fill them with these cute little gold coins. And then with that, I'm going to tie some ribbon around the top here and have some hang. And then I haven't decided yet, but I might hang these off of them. But I've also got these other little tags that I'll just hot glue some ribbon to, and then hook it to this ribbon, I believe. So yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start with this. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is just trace the bottom of this here along the bottom, and then I'll just stick those down in there. So now I'm going to get this ribbon here and tie it around that. And all these ribbons are from Coming Home. I got all these to go on the Valentine's tree, so make sure to watch out for that video. I'm really excited. Not Valentine's tree, the shamrock tree. This is really good ribbon. I can manipulate it and twist it, and it still looks good, so that's good. Yeah, that's super cute. And then I can keep this little dangly thing here. And there we go. All right, so now I'm gonna start getting these other ornaments ready for the tree. I'm just gonna take this welcome sign off. I'm just gonna cut these wires right off, and then we'll be able to just hang this from the tree. So that's one of the things I'm gonna do. And then with these, I think I might either add just hook some wire around this here, twist it, and then add a little hook to put onto a tree. I think that'll be easier. Or my other idea was to add D-hooks. But I think that'll be a little bit more work to do. So I'm just going to start by taking these wires off here. And I think these bows are cute, so we're going to keep those on. And then for this one here, I don't particularly like the bow, so I am going to just take that right off and add a cute bow with these ribbons that I got from Coming Home. I'm going to do a really cute big bow to go here, and that's where I'm going to have these tails hanging down the tree. think it turned out really, really cute. I think it's gonna be perfect for the tree topper. So there we go with my cute little DIY money jar. This is again gonna be for the St. Patty's tree that I'm gonna be putting up in a couple of days. I think it's gonna be really cute. Again, I'm gonna add some wire and just have it hang like this from a branch. But again, you can do a cute little DIY with your kids, and I think that that would be really cute. Thanks again for watching my video, you guys. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.